Okay, it's delivery time, Joe. Today, Joe, you will be delivering a parachute and a mat, and you will be delivering them to the yoga studio. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Dizzy Deliveries. We have something to say. Can you help us today?
Anna and Karen are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Great, let's go. Yoga? Oh, is this the yoga studio?
No! Shh! It's on the 3rd floor.
Ah, thank you.
You're so silly. You're so silly.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Karen, and this is Anna.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Joe.
And today we're doing yoga.
Ah, yoga.
I just feel
He's asleep. You're going to wake him up.
Let's love sign. Yoga. Yoga. You sign. Yoga. Good. Yoga.
Joe, can you take off your socks?
Yes. Ugh. Stinky.
First, we're going to play the parachute game.
Yes, my first delivery. Wait, here. Oh.
again now.
Ah!
Oh no! That was the skin now. Again.
Let's tidy them up again.
Okay, let's do some sky yoga.
No, Joe, not that type of parachute.
Aww. Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
And the parachute. Ready? Okay, ready to breathe, everybody. We bring it up to the sky. And down. Where's Anna? Where's Anna? Oh, peekaboo! Joe.
Hey, Joe!
Joe, it's okay. It's okay, Joe. Sit down and relax.
Let's love sign. Relax. Relax. You sign. Relax. Good. Relax.
Hello, Aoife. Hello, Elizabeth. Everybody come to the front of their mat.
A mat? My second delivery. Oh, wait, here. Oh.
Joe!
Darsha and Duna. Doors closing. Darsha and Duna.
Joe!
A mat.
Joe, that's a doormat. It's okay, Joe. You can use my mat. I'll find another one.
Thank you. Okay, let's do the dog. Let's do the frog.
Now, let's start again. Okay, let's get on our surfboard. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and jump. Surf on our mats. Oh, here comes a big wave. Whoa! Let's on our bellies and swim. Come on, Joe, let's swim, 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 swim. Are we ready to jump up again? Oh my goodness, one more wave, ready? My goodness. Oh, poor Joe. Let's sit up. Let's make it easier for Joe. Poor Joe's tired. It's time to lie down.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. You sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Wake up, little yogis. Yoga class is over.
Joe!
What are we gonna do? Will we wake him up? Ready? Listen. Now class is finished. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. It's time for me to go. Bye.
Bye. That's it.